Are you aware? Avoid this mistake by simply visually inspecting your brakes to ensure they are in good condition. Remember to regularly maintain the three main parts of your brakes: the rotors, pads, and fluids. Keep an eye out for signs of wear and tear on your brake pads and replace them if they are thinner than recommended. Check your brake rotors for any visible grooves or scoring on the surface. And if there is a significant damage, take prompt action by repairing or replacing them. Don't risk your safety or the safety of others on the road. Take care of your brakes and keep them in top condition with regular maintenance. Head to breakup.in to buy high quality brakes online and ensure your peace of mind on the road.